Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to delete Webnovel account. By deleting your Webnovel account, you won't no longer have access to your Webnovel and all the stories and novels that you have saved. To delete your Webnovel account, you need to first open your Webnovel application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to some recommendations. You can look for the recommended stories. Now tap on compass icon on top right corner. Then it will take you to featured. Now here tap on profile option on down right corner. Then here you can see your profile. Now tap on setting icon on top right corner. Then here you can see the option of delete account. Tap on delete account option. Now here you can see conditions in which you cannot delete your account. Like if you are author on Webnovel platform or if you have verified works, you cannot delete your account. Similarly, if you are a member, then you need to unsubscribe before you delete your account. Or if your account doesn't have an email address tied to it, you cannot delete your account. Once view through all these points to see whether you qualify yourself to delete your account or not. After this, tap on delete account option on last. With this, you'll be asked if you are really wanting to delete your account. Tap on delete option. Then you'll be able to delete your Webnovel account. This is how we can delete Webnovel account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.